Lighthouse for Life family. A year ago, the movie Sound of Freedom came out and just had a tremendous impact across our nation and even other parts of the world. It is a hard to watch movie that displays a horrific, ugly reality of sex trafficking. But I want to share with you some thoughts on it. First of all, how can we take what's in that movie and bring it back a little bit closer to home? This movie depicts a girl's vulnerabilities being exploited as she had a natural desire to be seen in the music world. Traffickers do prey on vulnerabilities, but it's not always in another country, and it's not always somebody bringing them here. It can be our natural curiosity about sex. It could be somebody transitioning to college. It could be struggles with parents fighting. It could be trying to fit in at school. It could be a desire to be seen and known, or to have my dreams and desires seen and known. We need to come alongside and meet people's vulnerabilities so that they don't get pulled away by the wrong people. It also depicts somebody from the United States going overseas and saving the day. I'm glad to hear this, and I hope that it does happen often. But another reality is that traffickers are right here in our own backyards, trafficking our own kids, our own neighbors, our own friends, and selling them to people right here in our backyards, and they don't ever have to leave. Some people are trafficked in their own homes and their parents have no idea, often through technology and the use of a cell phone. We need to be alert and have our eyes open to what our kids are involved with, the activities happening in our neighborhoods, and how we can be a part of the solution right here in our own backyards. And lastly, in the movie, the little girl at the end is returned to her home and has found her place of safety again, and we celebrate that. But that's not always somebody's story, and usually even those that are returned to a place of safety still have years and years of trauma and layers of pain that they have to unravel and work through in order to get the help and healing that they need. If you know somebody who has been violated or abused in the world of sex trafficking, be patient, seek professional help. Let us come alongside with our survivor support services, or just to provide some sort of support and counsel to you. And if you are that person, please know you are not alone, and we would welcome you to this property, the Harbor property, as a place that we hope will become that safe haven for you. Thank you guys for your continued support of our ministry, and I hope you have a blessed rest of the month.